Hi friends, today we are just basically doing an unboxing of my lunch and Festa delle Donne treats. Today was a free museum day in honor of the International Day of Women, and so I just came from the archaeological park and thought I would stop by Cannolo Terapia for a treat. Now, Cannolo Terapia has several names, including Mocambo Diffuso and Alfeo Neri, who I assume is the elderly gentleman who seems to be in charge there. So I got a couple different things. Let's take a look. I have got first a bombette, which I've had before from other places. This is the first time getting it from here. And this is typically just basically like a big ball of bread, and inside I'm expecting there to be prosciutto cotto, which is a cooked ham, and cheese, probably mozzarella, or looks like maybe it could be tuma. This is the inside. That's one. The other one is a calzone fritte, and I have not had one of these before. Kind of typical calzone shape. But it has been coated in cornmeal and fried, evidently. Let's see what that one looks like inside. And this one, I'm expecting there to be prosciutto, tuma, sun-dried tomatoes, and olives. Not bad. A little bit of a cavern in there, but actually looks like mortadella too. All right, very good. And then the last thing that I got from there, which was kind of the whole point of going, was to get some kind of a treat. They do these lovely semifreddos, and also, look, they always wrap everything up beautifully. Italians take a great deal of pride in things like this. It's not gonna come off easily. But I went ahead and opted for their dessert that is special for this day. And I don't know what it is or what it will taste like, but I've never met a dessert I didn't like. So I figure it's a safe bet. And here is this beautiful thing. It looks like it's covered in croutons, but I don't think they're croutons. I expect they're some sort of a sponge cake. The little yellow flower on top is mimosa. That's the symbol for International Women's Day. And let's see if I can get the lid off. It smells very nice. I'm going to eat dessert first so that I can figure out what to tell you this is made out of. It's a very, very delicate sponge cake on the inside and outside. Okay, we have strawberries and I believe creme patissiere. Lemony too. That's beautiful. So yeah, so kind of a lemony creme pat, some wild strawberries, the little teeny ones, kind of a semi-freddo around the outside, and more of the really delicate sponge that's been cubed is what is around the outside. All right, yeah, as though I was going to be disappointed. Delicious. So happy International Women's Day to all the ladies out there. I wish I could share this with you. Bye.